The self-loading concrete mixer truck is a versatile, all-in-one machine. It combines loading, mixing, and transporting concrete. Many customers appreciate this powerful self-loading mixer. It is efficient and convenient for construction projects. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step installation of a DASWELL self-loading concrete mixer. You will see how it is prepared before going to the job site. Let's get started. Install the access ladder. Install the headlights. Remove the DC pump cover. Install the mudguards. Install the DC pump cover. Install the right front tire. Install the cab. Align the cab platform and secure the cab. Install one screw at each corner of the cab. Install the manual throttle lever next to the reverse camera. Install the electronic scale. Install the mixing drum. Connect the pipelines. Install the charging hopper. Due to transportation requirements, the right rear tire of the self-loading mixer is pre-installed in reverse. After receiving the mixer, please reinstall it. This was a simplified look at how a self-loading concrete mixer truck is installed and prepared for operation. If you'd like to learn more technical details, get answers to your questions, or request a quote for a self-loading mixer, we're here to help. Feel free to contact DASWELL Group. We offer free consultation and expert support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about self-loading concrete mixers and other construction equipment. You can also check out our previous videos to see how DASWELL self-loading mixers work on real job sites. Thanks for your time and for watching. See you in the next one.